Let's switch gears now to the state of the housing market in Charlotte, something we've talked about a lot. Some good news, though, for some people now asking, where's the money? There's some new numbers showing that rent is finally cooling off here in Charlotte.
Yeah, imagine that. Considering over the last few years, right, our area's seen higher rent due to the high demand for housing, but we're seeing that might no longer be the case here. WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson is joining us to talk about what is driving this decrease.
Well, the main reason rent is going down is all the new apartment construction across the Queen City. It's good news for renters who will be able to keep more money in their pockets. Across Charlotte, you've seen it. Apartments, apartments, and more apartments. But now there's less people moving in.
This is the first time we've seen declines like this really since 2009, 2010.
Chuck McShane is director of market analytics for CoStar, a real estate information company. He says the shift in trends is because of supply and demand.
More apartments have been opened, completed in the last year than at any point in time.
According to CoStar, so far in 2023, about 7,400 apartments have been filled. But there's been more than 12,000 new apartment units completed. The increase in vacant apartment levels is now forcing apartment owners to drop the price of rent.
Before, tenants, renters were having to really compete for spots there, and now landlords and property owners are having to compete for renters.
The areas that saw the biggest decreases are South Park at 2.2%, Uptown at 3%, and South End at 4.6%. And while rent is down compared to last year with an average of $1,559 a month, it's still not at pre-pandemic levels when the average rent was $1,271 in 2019.
The interesting thing about Charlotte, the fundamentals of job creation, a great place to live, and it's still being affordable compared to a lot of other markets are all in play.
Looking ahead, supply should remain high through 2024, which will likely keep rents steady.
We still have a large number of apartments in the pipeline to be delivered. For South End and Uptown alone, there's north of 10,000 apartments in the pipeline.
And experts tell me because of economy challenges, there are fewer groundbreakings for apartments this year, which could mean less supply and possibly higher rents come late 2025 and 2026. For WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.